Here is another example on logarithm from WACS 2020 Mathematics, that's West Africa Senior School Certificate Examination. Express 1 plus 2 log 3 base 10 in the form of log q base 10. Now from this question, it's a straightforward question. Now let's bring down, this is 1 plus 2 log 3 base 10. Now, from the rules of logarithm that I gave us, I taught us from my tutorial or from anything, you should understand that when you have log a base a, having its number the same with its base, it will equally give us 1. Meaning when you have log 2 base 2, it's 1. When you have log 3 base 3, it is 1. Now here we are trying to bring this to a form of log q base 10. Now first of all, let's convert this one considering the base the other number it is. Now this is log 10 and log 3 base 10. Now here we can equally have our 1 to also have a form of log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10 will give us what? 1. Then this will be plus 2 log 3 base 10. Now from the log of logarithm, log p base a plus log q base a, you have log p times q base a. Now we use this law to resolve this too. Then when you bring this down, you have log 10 base 10 plus log this 2 here, this 2 will be raised to power, will become a power of 3, and you have 3 raised to power 2 base 10. Using these laws of logarithm, we have log 10 times 3 raised to power 2 base 10. Now log 10 times 3 raised to power 2 is what? 9 base 10. Now you have log 10 times 9 is 90 base 10. Now, is it correlating with this log q base 10? Yes. Now we have our final answer to be log 90 base 10. You can compare, it's the same thing. Now this is what they ask you to do. Being in form of this, you have log 90 base 10. Thank you.